Right in the back nine now, off number one. Got a bit of a tough closing stretch there. 7, 8, 9. Nice drive here. That's a good thing about golf. There's 2 nines, multiple rounds. Get rid of the last 9, focus on the next one. Make a couple of shots back. Second shot on number 1, 10th hole. After hitting his drive into the wind about 290 yards. Nice shot. Birdie putt. Shot on the par 3. Second hole in the course. Number 11 on the day. 198 yards. Right into the wind. Good shot. Tee shot on the par 5, 3rd hole. It's taken an hour to play the last 3 holes because of the delays. Eagle putt coming up, par 5. Tap in for birdie, 18 inches. There's Bert. 4th hole on the front, number 13 of the day. 439-yard par 4. Little dog leg right to left. Tee shot should be going to the right side of the fairway. They want to throw it to the left. Third shot, par 4. Tee shot coming up, par 3, 5th hole on the front, 14th hole of the day. It's been painfully slow. His back 9, 10, 11, 12. Took about an hour and a half. Looks okay. Second shot coming up on the par 3. Good shot. Finishing up the par here on the par 3. Tee shot coming up on the 6th hole on the front. 359 yards. Wind's against the player, so it's playing a little bit longer. Great shot. Birdie putt coming up. The leaders are falling back. It's only the first round. Keep plugging away. Another par 5 over here. Good scoring opportunity. Second shot coming up in the par 5. Number 7. 16 of the day. Downwind shot about 220 yards, maybe 210, pins in the front. Just off the green in 2 on the par 5. Ball above his feet on the chip. Chucked up a little more than he thought on the first bounce. Birdie putt coming up on the par 5. Nice birdie. Back to back. If we're lucky, we'll get this round in under 6 hours. Got about 30 minutes left to play. It's a long par 4, but it's a tight driving hole. So I think he's going with his 3-iron off the tee. It's downwind, so it doesn't need a big club. Just needs to get the ball in play. Alright, after hitting a 3-iron, about 290 off the tee, downwind, he's got about 100 yards into the pin, maybe 90, pins in the front. It's a good shot. Right there. Birdie putt on 17 coming up for 3 in a row. About 10 feet. It looks like it's just on the edge. Yep. Last hole. We're going to probably get this in under 6 hours. Par 4. Little downhill, downwind. Bunkers left, trees right. Started down the right side of the fairway, drop back in. Would be ideal. Comes the approach shot on the last hole, 160 yards, full on downwind. The approach shot flew over the green with gale force winds, chipped it to about 15 feet. It's got this a safe par. Nice putt.
Nice of it, yeah.
It's safe. And just for the record, I called that he would make that putt.